Hi, this is Nacho Yanez, mobile phone Chula Vista with Advantage Homes, and well, I'm gonna take off the mask. Remember, the COVID is back, so well, it never went away. But today we are in a senior park, so look at this, very nice, very quiet park, and we have one of the corner houses. So come with me. It's really a very big home today, and we're doing this virtual open house. So come around. So this home is from 1975. It is really big. And when I say really big, it's one of the biggest mobile homes you will see on a video. It's a triple wide and it has 1900 square feet. So wow. And look at that. It has lots of upgrades. So the flooring, and also it has a bit of chrome molding up there on the ceiling. This is the dining area. As you can see, you have lots of space. Here, besides all the furniture that you see here, this living room is really spacious. You have lots of space here, and you have also here like a family room as well. In addition, that's really nice. And come follow me, and here we're going to see the rooms. It's a 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but it has go inside and see the that's the laundry room. And by the way, it comes with washer and dryer, they're included. So yeah, it has lots of space. It's a separate room for the laundry. This is the master bedroom, and look at the bathroom. The bathroom has really lots of upgrades. The floor and laminated floorings, the jacuzzi tub, the double vanity. You see the granite tops is in here, and also in the countertop is granite. That's really nice. And this shower is new as well. They're really good. And this is the master bedroom, and yeah, very spacious and with lots of light. Today is not a sunny day, but we have lots of lights because it has this French windows, that go all across. And well, this is really a walk-in closet, really big, very big and very nice. So there's more. Let's see the guest bedroom. Remember, this is a senior park. This park is 55 and 50. So one person needs to be 55 and the rest of the people living here needs to be 50. So it's even if the home is big, it's 2 bedrooms and it has a master and the guest bedroom, which is this one. And you have, from the guest bedroom, you have access to the second bathroom. And this is, stone countertops as well. This is the guest bathroom, and the shower, it's a full bathroom as well. And it had access to the guest bedroom and also here on the hallway. All right, so remember, if you have any questions or anything, this video is going to be on Facebook and on YouTube, and you can post your comments. The price for the home, we'll say it again at the end. The price for this home is $185,000. Okay, and it's financeable. All right. So this is the kitchen. Very nice. It's remodeled with granite countertops all across, and this is the stove, and again granite countertops as well. And we're gonna go exit through the carport, one of the carports, because you will see it has two carports. That's quite unique in a mobile home. And this is one of the carports, as you can see. And it has the patio right behind. So you have all these nice patio area with walls even for privacy. That's very good, and that's quite unusual to have this type of walls in a mobile home. So this is one of the carports, and here you have the second one. So you actually have two carports with space for between both of them 3 cars in here and probably 1 car nicely sitting in here. And you also have this additional storage. So yeah, this home is pretty unique. I mean, very big, very spacious. Follow me and we're gonna see the side of the home again. And remember, we are in Chula Vista. The name of the park is Continental Country Club. It's on 445 Orange Avenue. And this is a Space 68. And that's all. Just to recap, it's 1,900 square feet. It's from 1975, and the price of the home is $185,000. Thank you for coming virtually with me on this video. And if you have any questions, you can post your comments or call me. My phone number is 619-551-0420. And yeah, stay safe. You know, now the COVID is not gone. Remember, wear your masks, and see you on the next video. Bye.